Hello, isang magandang araw sa inyo, class, okay, and mga manonood. Okay, so sa gawin natin video ay mag-solve tayo ng quadratic equations using quadratic formula, pero ang kanyang radicand ay negative, okay, or negative square roots tayo. Okay po, so let us try to answer this. Okay, maraming sinahirapan dito. Ang first step lang natin is to identify our ABC. Okay, lagyan na natin dito. So we have A, we have B, and we have C. Okay po, so yan. Obviously, our A here is 1, okay? While our B is negative 4, while our C is positive 5. Okay, then after that, what we're going to do next is to know what is the quadratic formula. And obviously, quadratic formula is x is equal to negative b plus minus b squared minus 4ac. Okay, yung discriminant natin all over 2a. Okay, so dapat alam natin yan. After that, what you're going to do is just to substitute all of the value that we have in A, B, and C. So we have x is equal to negative B, which is negative 4. Ano po that is very important to put parentheses, plus, minus, B squared. What is our B? Obviously, that is 4, negative 4. B squared minus 4. Adds two parentheses for our A and C. Our A is 1 and our C is 5. All over 2, what is our A? And that is 1. Okay, nag-substitute lang tayo. Then after that, we're going to solve it. Okay, so paano to? X is equal to negative times negative 4. Obviously, that is positive 4. Plus, minus. Ayun. Negative 4 times negative 4. Okay, so that is positive 16. 4 times 4, 16. Negative times negative is positive, so that's why positive 16. Then we have negative 4 times 1, that's negative 4, multiplied by 5, and that is negative 20. All over, we have 2 times 1, we have 2. Then after that, continue solving. So we have 4 plus minus 16 minus 20, that's negative 4, all over 2. So as you can see, our radicand here is negative. Okay po. So, ano ginagawa natin kapag negative yan? Okay, so dapat alam natin yung process na ito. So, kuha muna tayo ng papel. Okay, for example, we have this. We have negative 2. Okay po. So, we can write this negative 2 to something like this. So, we have negative 1 times positive 2. On which, negative 1, okay po, that is factor po, ano? Factor ni negative 2. Negative 1 times 2, pinag-iwalay lang natin. So, negative 1 is equal to I, or our imaginary number. Okay po, so nangyayari yan if we have negative numbers, okay po, inside the square root. So, mangyayari is yan. So, we have I square root of 2. Okay po. So, next. Paano naman po if we have negative 5? So, same process. So, pag-iwalay natin ang factor, negative 1 and positive 5. So, negative 1 times 5 is negative 5. So, negative 1, makikita nyo. Okay, so negative 1 can be transformed to this, I. So, we have I square root of 5. Okay, so now, proceed tayo dito. Okay, so ilagay natin dito. So, we have x is equal to 4 plus minus. So, we have negative 4 here. So, natin square root of negative 4. So, ang factor niya is negative 1, then 4. Okay, so pag multiply natin. So we have negative 1 transform to I, and square root of 4 is what? 2. Okay, so you can also write this as 2I. Okay, inon na lang natin yung numerical. Okay, yung number. So we have 2I here all over 2. Okay, so as you can see, that is positive and negative. So ibig sabihin, meron tayong dalawang x. I-proceed natin dito. Ayun. So, pag-iwalay lang natin. So, we have x sub 1 and x sub 2 equals. Ayun. Okay. So, ito ay pwede natin paghiwalayin. Since nagsishare lang sila sa isang denominator. Okay, so, it will be 4 over 2. Pwede yon. Plus. Okay, kasi plus yung isa natin. Then, we have 2i all over 2. Okay, then ganun din sa kabila, 4 over 2, kaso minus naman tayo, minus 2i all over 2. Then after that, okay, 4 divided by 2, that is 2 plus 2. So, kakancel na natin yan. Anong titira lang is I. Okay, same process here. 4 divided by 2, that is 2. Subtract or minus, cancel this. Anong matitira natin? I. So, ang x natin na nakuha for x sub 1 is we have 2 plus I. And for x sub 2, we have 2 minus I. And that's it. Thank you so much.